Namaskaram and Swagatam, my dear friends. Today in this video we are going to learn 5 Malayalam words. This is going to be a new series and it will be in both English and Hindi. It is getting very difficult for me to make a separate Hindi video, so I'm just including that also here. I hope that will not be an issue for English speakers or Hindi speakers, both. Okay, so this is a new series. We are starting the first lesson, so let's go and check it. So these are like very easy to learn words. So just imagine a situation where you are going to your home. So we are going to learn 5 words until you reach your home, and then we'll go forward and then learn other words. Okay, so when you're going somewhere like to your home, you have a path, a way or path. So that is vadi. Vadi in Malayalam, vadi. And for Hindi people, आप जो रास्ता कहते हैं मलयालम में वड़ी वड़ी कहते हैं. Okay, so next one. Once you reach there, you have the courtyard. The courtyard, and in Malayalam we say muttam, muttam. Okay, and for Hindi speakers, आंगन आप हिंदी में कहते हैं, मलयालम में मुट्टम, मुट्टम कहते हैं. Okay, the next thing you see is the steps, or the step. We are learning the singular word, step. Step is chavittu padi, chavittu padi, or you can simply say padi, chavittu padi or padi. हिंदी में आप सीटी कहते हैं, मलयालम में चाविट्टु पड़ी कहते हैं, और पड़ी, चाविट्टु पड़ी और पड़ी कहते हैं. Then you have your house. Your house, the word for house is veed, veed, veed in Malayalam. For Hindi speakers, आप हिंदी में घर कहते हैं, मलयालम में वीड कहते हैं, वीड. Okay, next one. And next thing you see is the door. The door in Malayalam is vadil, vadil. And for Hindi speakers, हिंदी में आप जो दरवाजा कहते हैं, मलयालम में वादिल, वादिल. Okay, that was the 5 Malayalam words in this video, and this is very easy to memorize. Everyone goes to home every day, right? Even if it is yours or if it is someone else's, you go to home every day. So start memorizing, learn this and start memorizing when you go. So it will be very easy for you to remember that way, and we will learn more words in this manner. So we are going slowly, but we are still steady. If you are here for the first time, or if you are seeing this channel for the first time, please subscribe this channel and support me, and I'll be back with a new video soon. And always feel free to post comments and ask your doubts. Nandi for watching. Namaskaram.